Mario ... honey, we got to talk.
What? What did I do this time?
I'm tired of our friends running around thinking I'm Peach and that they have to save me.
Well, we should stay in the Mushroom Kingdom, but no, you don't want to.
Well, I think we need a break. Mustache is giving me a rash when we kiss, it feels weird.
Bitch, fine. I'm leaving and going to my true love Princess Peach. That's when we have sex, I think of Peach.
Well, take your Akadoki ass out my house and take her slutty friends with you.
Fine, bitch. I'm leaving of you and tell your motherfucking mother to kiss my ass.
Ugh, get out.
Fine, and when you have the baby, it's not mine, cause when you passed out Luigi had sex with you instead and a few other guys, so, ha.